Hi, today we will use Educandy and I will show you how to create customized, interactive, and fun activities that your kids and our students will love and enjoy. Educandy allows you to create customized activity that can be shared to our students and kids through different online platforms. Now, let's search Educandy website using our search engine. And if this is your first time in using this platform, kindly register by providing a username and an email and then click register. So kapag naka-sign in na po kayo, ito po yung interface na makikita nyo kay Educandy. This is a short video and you can watch it. Sa lower part, you will see sample activities such as word search, anagrams na magagamit po natin in creating our activities. To start in creating our first activity, click My Activities, wait for the page to load, and then you will see categories, words, matching pairs, and quiz questions. Pwede po kayong mamili dyan sa tatlo. Depende po sa gusto nyong gawing activity. And then, sa lower part, you will see the previous activities na nagawa na po ninyo. Dito po sa tatlong category, dito po tayo sisimula sa ating example activity. Let's select matching pairs. To create your new list of matching pairs, make sure to fill your quiz below and then click create. Let's say our activity name is my first activity. And then for the activity subject, let's say English. And then click create. Now that we have the title and the subject area of the activity, maglalagay naman po tayo ng ating content. Halimbawa po, nagbago isip nyo sa title or sa subject area, pwede nyo po siyang i-edit by clicking the pencil button. Then type nyo lang po yung correction sa field, then click save. So, antayin lang din po natin mag-load ating page. On this field po, ilalagay natin yung first word, like for example, red. And then sa second field, kung ano po yung word na magmamatch sa red. And then add pair. Kiklik lang po natin yung add pair. Makikita nyo po dyan yung mga words na tinype ninyo. And then reminder to play games and share links. Make sure we add at least 3 entries. 3 entries po dapat ang ating ilalagay para ma-share natin at malaro po ng estudyante natin ang ating activity. Now that we have already 3 entries, paano natin siya i-share sa ating estudyante? Proceed lang po tayo sa lower part. But before that, these are the activities na pwedeng laruin ng ating estudyante. Pwede po siyang mamili, alin man po dyan sa 5. If you have website, pwede nyo po siyang i-embed using the code na nasa baba by copying it. And then, to share our activity in online platforms, sa social media, sa Messenger or sa Facebook, pwede po natin kopyahin yung link or use the code. Copy-paste lang po natin siya. So, let's try our first activity. Alright, to add our code, yung kinopya natin kanina, paste lang po natin siya dyan, and then click play. sa upper right corner po. So makikita po natin na mayroong 5 pagpipilian ang ating estudyante. Alin man po dyan sa 5 na yan, magge-generate po yung activity na ginawa natin kanina. So let's try to play memory. Antayin lamang po natin mag-load ang ating page. And then, merong timer. You can turn on the sound or the music and then you can play it in full screen. So, kiklik lang po yung tiles. Then, hanapin yung word na magmamatch sa ginawa natin kanina. Red, apple. And then, 21 seconds natapos natin ang activity. The student can replay the activity to beat his or her best time. Then exit the full screen. Kung gusto pong mag-add ng details sa inyong activity, pwede naman po dyan mag-input ng quiz instructions para mas malinaw po sa bata yung gagawin nila. Subukan po natin yung activity na ginawa ko nung una, which is the motivation title under ICT. So, click lang po natin yung share. Kopyahin natin yung link. Pwede nyo rin po yung gawin or pwede nyo rin pong ibigay yung code. Paste it sa search engine. Then, maglo-load na po yung words category. And ito po yung mga activity pwedeng pagpilian ng ating estudyante under words activity. Let's try to play word search. Hintayin lang po natin ulit mag-load. So, medyo mahina ang aking internet connection. So, this is our word search activity. Yung ginawa ko about ICT. Nandito po sa right side rather, yung mga words na kailangan hanapin ng estudyante. Again, select on the categories, add at least 3 entries, then share, and play. Kung may questions po, iwan nyo lang po sa comment box and I will answer it. Thank you!